Hello, Grandad slash Dad. Hope you're doing well. We are talking about the whole kind of portable DVD thing right now, and how. And I know, once upon a time, you'd get a laptop, and as part of that, you get a CD player, and then it became a DVD player, and then sometimes a Blu-ray player, I guess. That doesn't happen now, and I know it can be a bit of a pain. Good news is you can get a portable DVD player directly from Amazon, quite cheap. Obviously, you get what you pay for, but yeah, I guess I'm saying you don't have to pay too much for it. So that's from Amazon. Other electronic places are available if you're not feeling up for Amazon right now. And what that is it's basically, you've basically got the DVD player and it's connected to a cable. You plug it in and it does that bit. That bit is the easy bit. So you plug it into your USB port. What you need is a DVD player software to go on your laptop. So what we're going to do is get yourself to Google, and I would type in VLC Media Player, and as you can see, top result. Well, it's top result for me, but basically it's called VLC Media Player with that web address. And then you just follow the screen, really. And there you go. Don't click on these buttons because they are just adverts, and yeah, they're adverts there to kind of keep this free. As you can see, started to download. And then you can open it up. I imagine my screen just went blank there because it's now talking me through the setup process. I'm going to cancel it because I don't need to do that. Basically, once you've got that installed, all you really need to do all you really need to do is go to this PC screen and go to a screen that probably looks similar to this. Once you've got the software installed, once you've got your DVD player plugged in, press the little button on the front of the DVD player, put the DVD that you want to play in there. It will show something like this. And then right click on it, click play with VLC Media Player. And job done. Take care now.